welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this very beautiful natural looking hairstyle. Honestly, you guys, this hair is so beautiful. I don't even need to say too much because you guys can see it already. It is so beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this in under an hour. Trust me, it literally took me less than 1 hour to do this hairstyle. See, that is why I'm saying that it's very easy and it's very beautiful as well, and it's a great protective hairstyle. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing that I'm doing here is to section some hair out because I'm going to be blending this in by the time I'm done with this hair. So you're not going to be able to even tell, so don't worry about it. You're not going to be able to tell because this hair is so natural. It looks exactly like my natural hair and it's just so beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to section this out. As you guys can see, you don't even need to part this like in a very straight line, make it neat at all, because there's no need for that. So yeah, I'm just going to braid it away just to keep it out of the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and cornrow the other part of my hair. Now you don't need to cornrow it at all. If your hair is shorter than mine, if you can do twist it. If you can do braids, do that. If you can cornrow, do it. This one, this hairstyle is very versatile, and you guys are going to see that. So yeah, you don't need, if you don't know how to do any of those, trust me, you're still going to be able to achieve this hairstyle. Trust me, you're still going to be able to do so. So yeah, I'm just going to cornrow mine because I felt like doing that. So yeah, now I'm going to go in and cornrow. You guys, I'm not trying to make this neat at all. Honestly, I'm just I can't even see the back of my head to start with, so it doesn't have to be neat. It doesn't have to be neat. So I think I had a total of six or seven, I'm not sure, cornrow on, like, in total. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do this, and then we're going to go to the next step. Okay guys, so while I'm still cornrowing my hair, I just want to ask if you're subscribed to my channel. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, I will really appreciate it if you click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so that you do not miss any video from me, because I'm telling you that I have a lot of video coming up and you do not want to miss any of those. So please and please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And I want to believe that you're going to like it here. Trust me, you're going to like it here. And please don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let's have a discussion. I just always love to read from you guys, so please drop me a comment below. Okay guys, so by the time I am done with my cornrows, as you guys can see, I told you guys I was not trying to make it neat at all. So yeah, it's not neat. So I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp. And I just want to say that I did wash my hair the night before, so I'm doing this on clean hair. And I also braided my hair after washing my hair. That is what I do to kind of stretch my hair out. That is why you're seeing my hair in this looking like this. It doesn't always look like this. So what I do to stretch out my hair is, after washing, I just go ahead and put it in some 3, 4 or 5 braids, and it's just going to stretch it out. And I do that when it's still wet, okay? And then when I take it out the next day, it's going to be stretched without having to use heat. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put this net thing on my hair. This is one of those net that you use for crochet wigs, and the reason why I'm using this thing first of all is because it's, you know, it's like a shield to my natural hair first, and secondly it's going to give me more space to, you know, crochet this hair on my head, because as you guys can see, this is not a neat cornrow. Like we don't necessarily need to do this on our natural hair, which is why I said that even if you don't know how to cornrow, even if you don't know how to twist, even if you don't know how to braid, you're still going to be able to achieve this hairstyle. Okay, so this is the hair I'm going to be using. It is called Kinky Crush from the Janet collection. I bought this online. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and mine was in the 36 inches, and I think it was color too. Yeah, this was the only color I was able to find on their website. If not, I would have gone with the color 1B. But yeah, it's still okay. It blended very well with my natural hair, as you guys can see. So yeah, and I only use one pack for this. That's all you need, unless you want it bigger than what I have, but if not, one pack is enough. So yeah, I just take one strand each and divide into 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and crochet this on my hair. Just in case you don't know how to crochet, what I'm doing is put the needle through the net and through my hair, and then I'm going to just attach the hair, pull it out, and make a knot. That is all it takes, all there is to crochet. So I hope by watching this video you're going to be able to crochet. That's if you're not able to do so. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just go ahead and crochet this onto my hair. As you guys can see, I did space out at the back because I didn't want it to you know, too full back there, and like I said, I only have one pack, so you know, I have to, you know, space it out, even though this hair is very full. So at the end of the day, it was enough for me. So yeah, I did not really start, you know, like from the nape of my hair. I just spaced it out a little bit, and you guys are going to see what this looks like at the end, because like I said, the hair is very full and it's just beautiful. This hair is just beautiful. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead with my to crochet this hair on, and yeah. Okay guys, so here I am done with the face bunch, because as you guys can see, this hair comes in like two like big bunch on the back. So yeah, I'm just cutting off the straight ends because the ends of the hair is straight, so you want to cut that off. And I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, cornrow the remaining section. You guys can see where the face bunch took me almost half of the head, or even more than half, I think. So that is why I said you only need one pack for this hair. So yeah, when I get to the front of my head, I'm going to pull that net a little bit backwards, because I do not want it to, you know, show. I don't want just in case, I don't want anybody to be able to notice that net. So I did push it back a little bit, which you guys are going to see, and then I went ahead and cornrow. Why do I keep saying cornrow? I went ahead and crocheted the hair on my own hair in front of, you know, my head. Okay guys, so like I said, I ended up pushing that net backwards because I did not want it to show at all. I did not want anybody to be able to notice that net, so I ended up pushing it back. And here I'm just doing the crochet on my own natural hair, and you know, I just make sure that it looks natural and seamless, and it blends, you know, perfectly with my own hair. And yeah, that is just what I'm trying to do here. And as you guys can see, it was seamless, and you're not going to be able to see that net at all. Even if, you know, I had breeze blow my hair, you're not going to be able to see anything. And that was the main aim, the main purpose of me, doing that. So yeah, you guys, I am almost done with this hair. After that, I'm going to go ahead and try to trim it and just shape it, you know, to fit my face, and nothing too crazy, just, you know, cutting off some of the flyaways. And yeah, this is what it looks like when I was done. I was just, you know, feeling this hair. It was so beautiful, you guys. I don't know if I did mention that this hair is very soft as well, and very, very lightweight, you know, very lightweight. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and try to just cut off some of the flyaways, trim it a little bit to fit my face, and that is it. I did not do too much to this hair at all. I did not do too much. I initially wanted to try and see if I could weigh the center parting, but I already told you guys that I always feel like center parting does not look good on me, so I ended up, you know, going with my side parting. So yeah, I just prefer side parting. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and take off the leave out and make sure to blend everything in. And you guys are going to see that everything blended so seamlessly. Like, can you even tell which one is my hair and which one is not? I feel like this color too was perfect with, you know, it blended with my own hair perfectly. So yeah, after taking this out, I'm going to just go ahead and blend everything together, and then I'm going to try to lay my edges a little bit, you know, just to make it look good. And of course, I ended up with my side parting because I feel like that looks, you know, it looks well, it looks perfect with my, you know, face, and I feel like it suits me the best. So I'm going to use this argan oil edge control, and this is the only thing that actually, you know, does something to my edges. So yeah, after that, I'm going to tie it down a little bit, you know, with this hair tie. What is this thing called? So I'm just going to tie it down and then go ahead to, you know, beat my face, and voila, that is it. Our hair is complete. And you guys, ooh, can you see how beautiful this hair look? Even my husband was like, wait, when did your hair grow like this? Is this your hair? I was like, yes, this is my own natural hair. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.